Hello friends, welcome back to Future Genius. So friends, in today's lecture, we'll discuss about the algorithm and flowchart. First we'll cover the algorithm and the example of algorithm, and then we'll cover the flowchart and then the difference between algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm is like a step-by-step solution or step-by-step procedure, which is helpful in solving a particular problem. Like we can say that algorithm is a step-by-step solution of a particular problem. You have a problem, you need to find the sum of three numbers. Algorithm, the best benefit of algorithm is it is always written in a English like a statement. Like you can add your own English language here, but the concept like says that the main idea behind algorithm is that like you can use your English language statement for solving any problem. Algorithm is there is we need to solve a particular problem which is a sum of three numbers. For this purpose, we need to take the three number, that is A, B, C. Like I'm putting the value, I'm putting 10 in A and 20 in B and 30 in C. Like I need to add all these three. For algorithm, there is a steps always, there is a steps available. So the first step says that the first step is always start and the last step is always stop. So the first step says that we need to start the algorithm, and after that you need to what procedure we need to follow for algorithm for this problem is we need three numbers. So we can say that the first one is start, and we can say that read three number and the number's name is A, B, C. Now we can say that you can write the this statement in another form also. You can write like this: input three numbers in A, B, C. You can write like this also. After that, you need to compute. You can say that add. You can write directly like this in the third step: add A plus B plus C. And then after that, after addition, you just need to print. Like I am just entering, like writing print add. And the last step is stop, and the first step is start. Like you can write the algorithm in your language. So this is the second method, and this is the first method of writing the algorithm. So the basic, it is a basic concept to understanding the problem, and through which you can solve the particular problem with the help of algorithm. The next step is a flow chart. Algorithm and flow chart both are same, but algorithm says that you need to solve the problem step by step with a normal English statement. But in flow chart, it is we can say that it is also like a problem solving technique, but with the help of some symbols. So we need to use a symbol instead of English statements. So for start and stop, we need to use this symbol, and for processing, we need to use this. For decision, like if else, like we need to use this diamond, and input and output for this connector, like we need to connect from one page to another, so we use this. And these are the flow lines, like a direction, in which direction you have to move. Okay, so these were all the basic symbols of flowchart, and this is an example of even and odd. Like you need to check whether the number given number is even or odd. So for this purpose, first we need to start. I'm writing, like I'm drawing in this form, and the stop is also, and like you can write and also and stop also. That's not a big deal. Okay. After that, for input and output, we need to take this box. Now you can see that this is an input box, this is an output box, this is an output box. And for any kind of decision, you need to take this diamond box. Okay. Even odd program like us says that if you are like entering a particular number, like you have entered 10 mod 2, if the number is equal, the remainder is equals to 0, then your output will be even number. And if your remainder is like a 1, then your output will be odd number. So this is the basic program. So first you need to enter the number. Like suppose I have entered as a 10 in a number. So if now the condition will be check here, if number which is 10 10 mod 2 equals to 0? Yes, then it will goes here and it will print even and then stop. Now, suppose if my number is 11, I'm writing like this. Again, it is it is checking the condition. 11 mod 2 is equals to 0. No, that means it will go in this direction and it will print odd and then the program will stop automatically. So this is the procedure of algorithm and flowchart, like basic program of algorithm and flowchart. Now we'll cover the difference between algorithm and flowchart. Algorithm is like a step-by-step solution. It is a diagrammatical representation. Algorithm is a complex understanding form. Flowchart is easy to understand. Algorithm use plain text and flowchart use symbols and shapes. Algorithm is easy to debug in case if you need to find out any kind of error or resolve the error. So you for that purpose algorithm is easy, and that for that purpose flowchart is little bit difficult as compared with algorithm. The algorithm does not follow any kind of rule, but in case of flowchart you have to construct the particular flowchart according to the rule. Algorithm is the shadow code for the program. We can say that algorithm is like a shadow code, and the flowchart is just like a graphical representation, pictorial representation, diagrammatical form, or in presents in a symbols and shapes. So this is all about algorithm and flowchart. Thank you.